This is super dishes. This is how we start. We take our dishes and we dump all of our bits and grits right on top of this screen. This screen helps to keep all the water safe and out, we keep all the grits out. We put that into the river. Next, what we do is we take this nice cold wash water and it is a first rinse. The second one is a hot soap. This hot soap, oh gosh, it's hot. The second one is a rinse and it's hot too, okay? So be very careful when you're in the dish line, but it always goes upstream to downstream. Now what we do is we come down to the bleach aisle. When you come down to the bleach aisle, you always want a good contact time for at least 60 seconds. This is a cold water, so it's not bad. A lot of us just drop it in there. If you want to do an extra favor though, help your guide by taking this and putting it down in the dish net, and all the problems in life are solved for at least the next 8 hours. Thank you for joining us on Super Dishes.